What are you doing? That's a black and white girl. That's Bailey there. That's the black female. There's the green ribbon male. This is the girl that's for sale. She's the only one left for sale. That's Tulip. They're 7 weeks old today. What are you laying there for, chewing on the ball? This is the boy. Hi, baby. Pick this one up right here. I haven't really got a good video of it. Take that ball out of there. She doesn't want to get up and run around because she's chasing after, or she's chewing on the ball. Again, this is the only little girl I have for sale right here, Tulip. Everybody else is spoken for.